Hey, cleaning buddies, I have some extreme cleaning motivation for you guys today. It is Extreme Clean Garage with me, you guys. So be ready for this cleaning motivation. I'm not going to talk that much, you guys, so it's all cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. Alrighty, enjoy, you guys, and enjoy the music. Let's get into it. This hot ass mess, y'all. I've been trying to avoid this. I had to get mad this morning. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Trash is over there. Giveaways are all over here. Yeah. Recycling is over there. There's my board for my table top. But yeah, this is horrible, people. This is my garage. If y'all can't tell, I am procrastinating my behind off from getting to my closet to where I'd rather come here in the garage and put this rug down that I found at Costco, y'all, for $14.99. Y'all want to see it? $14.99. What? So y'all see how big it is? Because I'm going to put it in this area right here. I'm procrastinating, but y'all go get me. Look at this. Look here. Look here. It's an outdoor rug, indoor-outdoor rug, y'all. Indoor-outdoor. I should have got two. I don't know what I was thinking. I just because, yeah. But you see this? Look at this. Look at this. It's a 6x9. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Indoor-outdoor. Indoor-outdoor. Well, I'm going to put it in this garage. That's what I'm going to do. You see where they got it? You see? Okay. All right. Well, we're going to do this here. Check her out, y'all. Check her out. She's been mopped. The garage. Oh, I'm sorry. My gardener is here also cutting the front lawn, y'all. Yes, he cuts it on Mondays. So Alana's getting her hair cut. She's getting it trimmed all about and getting it faded up, you know. Look at this, y'all. Check it out. Much cleaner and neater, y'all. Yes. I like it. I like it. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff. And this has even been all throughout. But yes, people. Check it out. We bought those a few years ago. I bought them for his birthday. The black and yellow shells. This one was already here. It was left here. And bought those. So there's 4. And the other one is there. So see, people. This is my husband. He plays all his PlayStation games. He just doesn't have PlayStation 1. He does, but it's not plugged up. But what he has down here is PlayStation 2, 3, and 4. And 5 is in the house. Is in our room, which I call his apartment, which we're about to tackle in just a minute, you people. Oh, goodness. Cleaning, folks. Y'all gotta help me. I need help. I need help. But anyways, I've procrastinated long enough. It's time to get in the closet. Yes, it is. It's time to get in the closet. But yes, people, those are all pillows, comforters, and I gotta streamline still all of that. Even though I said I went through it, but yeah. But everything is where it's supposed to be, though. I need to come in here with a pressure washer and really get it nice. But there you go, people. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll be back for that closet. Okay, all right. Procrastination. Okay, I guess I was supposed to start. Because I've been procrastinating, y'all. How y'all doing? This is welcome to my channel. Welcome to Clean, Clear, Calm Home. Which, anyways, I have been procrastinating all day, people. I am Cleaning Fee here on Clean, Clear, Calm Home. This is your first time here. Welcome. Hey, child. I'm here to give you some cleaning motivation. Right now, I'm just going to start doing whatever it is. Because I really need to get to my closet. But I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Should I show it to y'all? I think I need to show it to y'all. Y'all probably have saw it, but I probably didn't put it in. But we gonna see it now. Okay? All right. Hold on. We're gonna take a look at my room too, y'all. Yeah, I need to change the sheets and stuff. Stuff needs to, it's I need to wash, people. I need to wash. All right, I'm standing outside. I'm scared, y'all. Y'all gonna come at me then. Come at me, because at least y'all will be here to comment. Because I'm not gonna buy nothing for this closet, because it's gonna get organized with whatever I have in here. You see what I'm saying? Because see, yeah, that says out of office. That's my cleanance wig. When my home is clean and I'm feeling, I don't wear wigs no more, y'all. But I used to wear her. Yes, I was a wig person, but look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. It's calamitous in here. It is a hot ass mess, y'all.